our YouTube channel. Now we are going to show you how to calculate matrices and all concepts related matrices. Let's start now. So to start this lesson today, we are going to use Kinyarwanda language and English. We are a mix all those languages. Let's start now. To start, firstly, we are going to use what is matrices. The second, we are going to see types of matrices. So let's see basic knowledge to matrices. So by definition, matrices refers to a rectangular array of elements that are arranged in row and column. Let's take an example. This is matrix that have 4 columns and 3 rows. Let's show you row and column. So here, this is row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4. Column is column 1, column 2, row 3. This is 4 column and 3 rows. So to denote matrix, we can denote by using these symbols, these, or we can use that. All is correct. Let's move on next. So let's see types of matrices. So types of matrices, we have 9 types. Number 1, we have row matrices. 2, we have column matrices. 3, we have rectangular matrices. 4, square matrices. 5, diagonal matrices. 6, square matrices. 7, identity matrices. 8, null or zero matrices. 9, triangular matrices. Let we see each types what is and with difference between that. Let's move on next. So here we are going to start with row matrices. By definition, row matrices is a matrices that has a single row. It means that is a matrix that have one row. Let's take examples. So for example, hano here murabona ko dufite matrices, ariko matrices ikaba ifite row imwe. Reka tubirebe neza. Hano iyi murabona ko ari row imwe, nubwo column zaba nyinshi, ariko iyo row ari imwe, iyi bari row matrices. Correct? Yes. Let's move on next. So next one, we have column matrices. Column matrices by definition refers to matrices that has a single column. Let's see example. So ubwo hano hoho bishatse kuvuga ko column matrices ni matrices ariko yo ifite column imwe, nubwo rows zaba ari nyinshi. Nkuko hano murabona ko iyi matrices ifite column imwe ariko row ebyiri. So murabibona na hano ifite column imwe ariko row eshatu. Niyo nubwo rows zo zaba ari nyinshi, ipfa kuba ifite column imwe. iyo iba ari column matrices. Let's move on next. So next one is all about rectangular matrices. So by definition, rectangular matrices is a matrices where the number of row is not equal the number of column. Let's take example. So ibi bishatse kuvuga ko rectangular matrices ni matrices yo ifite rows zitangana na column. Reka tubireba aha. So nkuko mubibona aha ngaha urabona ko iyi nibyo ifite row imwe ariko ikagira column, ifite column imwe ikagira row ebyiri. Iyi ubwo ni rectangular matrices. Nanone iyi ifite row ebyiri, row ni row, noneho iyi niyi bikaba column. Ubwo bashatse kuvuga ko iyo dubonye matrices yacu ifite row zitangana na column iba ari rectangular matrices. So nanone hano hari ikintu gikunda guchallenginga abantu benshi, ishobora kuba ifite row nyinshi cyangwa se nanone ishobora kuba ifite column nyinshi, byose birashoboka. Nkuko murabona ko hano row nizo nke ariko hano murareba ko arizo nyinshi, imwe ebyiri eshatu, upfa kubona bitangana iba ari rectangular matrices. Let's move on next. So next one is all about square matrices. By definition, square matrices a matrix where that number of row is equal to the number of column. So square matrices matrices aho rows ziba zingana na column. Ubona kuvuga ngo iyo ubonye matrices ifite row zingana na column, iyo matrices iba ari square matrices. So here murabona ko nk'urugero iyi matrices A ifite row ebyiri ariko ikagira na column ebyiri. Ubwo iyo column zingana na row iba ari square matrices. So niyi matrices B ni kwimeze, murabona ifite row imwe ebyiri eshatu, okay, ikagira na column imwe ebyiri eshatu. So iyo ubonye zingana iyo iba ari square matrices. So let's move on next one. So next one is diagonal matrices. So by definition, diagonal matrices is a square matrices where all non-diagonal elements are 0. So let's take example. So hano bishatse kuvuga ko ni matrices ariko ifite element cyangwa se ifite imibare itandukanye na 0 kuri diagonal gusa. Diagonal, let's see diagonal. Diagonal ni zino element ziba ziri ku iyi diagonal, ziba ziri ku iki gice, nizo bita diagonal. Noneho nandi diagonal ni zino element zindi ziri ahandi hantu ziba zitandukanye n'iziri kuri murongo kwizi element zirimo hano hagati. So no kuvuga ngo nuzabona matrices ukabona iyo matrices ifite imibare kuri diagonal gusa ahandi hari 0, iyo tuyita diagonal matrices. So let's move on next. So next one is all about scalar matrices. Scalar matrices by definition is diagonal matrices where all the diagonal elements are equals. So murabona ko scalar matrices hoho ni igihe ya diagonal twavugaga mu gihe iriya diagonal matrices yoyo ifite element ariko zitandukanye na 1. Mu gihe scalar yoyo ibifite element ariko zisa, bifite element hano zisa. So ibifite element kuri diagonal zisa. Ubwo no kuvuga ngo nanone ushobora kuba ufite let's take example, ushobora kuba ufite nka gatatu hiya hano hari gatatu na hano hari gatatu na hano hari gatatu. So ni ukuvuga ngo n'ubundi ino gatatu uraza ukayisohoramo, ubwo ni nko bafashe urugero rw'ina K. So iyi gatatu urabona ko uyisohoyemo hose hahita haba 1 1 1. So ubwo ni ukuvuga ngo iyo ubonye matrices ariko ifite kuri diagonal imibare isa, izi scalar matrices. Correct? Yes. Let's move on next. So next one is all about identity matrices. So for example, identity matrices by definition is a diagonal matrices where all the diagonal elements are equal to 1 or ones. So ni ukuvuga ngo identity matrices yoyo ni matrices uzasanga hahandi kuri diagonal ifite 1 iba ifite 1 yoyo buri gihe, nta kindi kintu ugombereye gusohoramo. Yes, correct. Here nkaha murabona ko dufitemo 1 1, tukagiramo na hano murabona ko ni 1 1 1. So let's move on next. So null or zero matrices by definition is matrices where all of the elements are zero. So iyoyo irumvikana, iyoyo ni matrices ariko ifite icyo twakita nka zero, elema zose ziba ari zero, nayo ibaho. Reba guhera aha by example iki gice cyose ni zero. So it means that when you see that matrix all elements are zero, it is called null or zero matrices. So let's move on next. So the next one is triangular matrices. By here we have two types of triangular matrices. We have upper triangular matrices and lower triangular matrices. So upper triangular matrices is a square matrices where all the elements below the main diagonal are zero. So ubwo hano ho twabonye ko main diagonal ni uyu murongo uba uri hano hagati, uyu nguyu nkuko twabibonye hejuru niyo diagonal. So ni ukuvuga ngo rero uzabona matrices ifite element hejuru ya diagonal gusa, iyo izaba yitwa upper triangular matrices. So noneho mu gihe uzabona matrices yoyo ifite elema hasi ya diagonal, iyi bayita lower triangular matrices nkuko definition bivuga. By definition, lower triangular matrices is a square matrices where all of the elements above the main diagonal are zero. So correct? Yes. So mubona hari ibintu byinshi twakita nkaho ari ingenzi bikunda guconfusinga abantu, by'umwihariko kuri scalar matrices, identity and diagonal matrices. So ibi bintu bikunda guchallenginga abantu nuko byitondera. Ni ukuvuga ngo diagonal matrices iba ifite element kuri diagonal ariko zitandukanye. So noneho scalar matrices yo ikagira element kuri diagonal ariko zisa, mu gihe identity matrices yo igira element kuri diagonal ingana na rimwe cyangwa se 1. Yes. So thank you for watching our video. Next we are continue to next reason such as determinate, trace matrices, confactor, inverse, and the application of matrices in real life. So nasezeranije abantu rero ko nza kuba updatinga by'umwihariko ku bantu bumva ururimi rw'ikinyarwanda, kuko announcement ngiye kuba nireba abantu bumva ikinyarwanda. So muri description y'iyi video muraza gusangamo link, ariko ku bantu mwifuza kumenya amakuru ajyanye na application, ya application za UR, IPRC, ndetse na application za job. So muraza gusangamo link ya WhatsApp, ni ukutwandikira tukabashyiramo, tukabana umunsi ku munsi, ndetse nawe wifuza ko twagufasha turagufasha, ibintu bikagenda neza rwose. So asantene sana, thank you so much. Tuzasubira utaha mu yindi session.